Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial over like a sunset eye with like a purple blue cut crease. I don't know, it looks really cool when it's like done. So I'm just going to get started, and I know I took another break after I was like, I'm back, but I just didn't have the energy to film and I didn't have the want to. So that's why I'm going to be starting again. It's summertime, I'm not in school. Plus for a while there, my skin was like not doing well with makeup. Like I was having lots of like breakouts and dry patches, and so I decided to take a break. Are like this orangey color from the Jaclyn palette, but when it's called creamsicle, but like when you put it on your eye it looks more yellow. So I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush. Mine's from Morphe's M576. It looks just like this, and I'm just going to dip into it. And I'm not going to dust off the extra because that's why I didn't put foundation on, and I wanted to do more of a, you see it? I just moved, yeah, I'm going to move it back a little bit more, but the mirror's like right here. It was way back there, but that's how I'm going to do this. And you just start putting it as your transition shade, and don't go too high up with it. Last night I did not know what I was doing, so I got way overboard. And don't do a lot of it too quick. You can always go back in and darken it up if you need. And that's my dogs. They're just playing. They're not like fighting, but they get too much and they just start to like really wrestle. And no, I did not set my base because I don't like how that looks anymore. Yeah, probably. I'm going to take a little bit of that and a little bit of Roxanne. Mix those two together because they're like my orange shade that I need, but I'm not going to put a lot. This is just to make it a little bit darker and prepare it for like the red that I'm going to use from the Morphe 3502, and I got this for Christmas. I'm taking that same R39. I'm gonna dip a little into that. There has a more orange shade in here, but I like how I did this. And this might not even stay, like if you don't go high enough, it might not even be included in your look, but this is a really bright freaking red. And that's the look. But yeah, that's the base of it. And so then you're going to need to take a concealer, which I like using my lightest one, which is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in 02 Light. Fair 02. So my technique for doing cut creases is just putting like a blob right here and looking up. And it basically creates like the cut crease for you. You just have to like finish it. So on this eye I kind of have to pull it because my eyes are different and I can't close this one the same as I can close my other one. There. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on the back of my hand, just like whatever's on the back of on the doe foot, and I just put it on the back of my hand right there. And this is when you need like a really tiny mirror, not tiny, but like when you can go really up close with. It's literally just flat, and it was used, I'm gonna use the purple shade from the Jaclyn palette, which is called Royalty, and it's a shimmer. And I'm gonna make sure it's on the right side and you're just gonna pack it on. And at first the color doesn't look good, like it doesn't look like what it should, but then when you put like a second layer on, it like finally like looks good. It's really pretty. And then you're gonna flip over the brush because I like using multiple. And there's a shimmer in here that's blue, but I'm using the matte shade, the Jada, I don't know. It looks like that. It's like bright. I don't know if you can even see that. It's like, you'll see Claire's brush. And I'm gonna take a black because that's how you do this. If you And you just add black into the outer corner, and you blend, and you blend. You're not blending, but you're patting, and then you're wiggling. And right now, she looks kind of suspicious. So I'm done with the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm pretty sure. And I'm gonna take the Too Faced Sugar Pop palette, which I don't even know if this is still around. But I'm just gonna take the bright blue in here called Blue Raspberry. And I wanted to like make it more like bright in the middle right here. So I did that, and I was like, ooh, like if you can't really see a difference until like, I don't know, it just blends it like does a whole new blending thing, and you just tap this color. And then I took with the color called Bubblegum, which is a bright pink that's shimmery. It's not bright, I don't know, it's a bubblegum pink. I use these two. This is like my favorite color ever. I still use it. It's called Blackberry. And I just put a little bit of pink on top of the purple to make it more, I don't know. And then taking a line brush and a shimmer. It's the Infallible eyeshadow. It's like crumbly because it's falling apart, and I don't know why. But it's just silver. It's in the shade, I don't know, 757 Silver Sky. And I bought this 2 years ago, I think, for prom for someone, and she ended up not going. So I just sprayed it with a little bit of Smashbox water primer. And you're just gonna look, and you're gonna align the cut crease. So I'm back. I did my face makeup. I just haven't done highlight yet because I like doing highlight in front of you guys. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Blossom Glow. Like there's little, and it doesn't even need like, okay. So next, I'm going to do my eyelashes. So the ones I will be using are from Kiss, and they're the Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection in the Brazier. I think that's what they look like. They're on the wrong, so like when you look at them, like this is my right. Yeah, I just took them off and put them on wrong, but that's my right. They're really big and fluffy, and I really like them. Like, glue's almost clear. And what I like to do is, I didn't do this for some reason, is put extra glue like on the inner and outer corner, because obviously that's like the place where they come up the easiest. I would actually wear this look to school because I don't care what people think. Like, you know, like, I have to get up super early. I mean, I don't have to be at school till like 7:50 to get to my class because school starts at 7:55. But I like to be there like 10 minutes before, like 7:50. So like 7:40, 7:45. Sometimes it just depends on life. But yeah, I'm gonna be really good about posting because I miss it. I miss you guys, you 18 that watch me. And yes, my subscriber count went up like 2. So whoever you new to are, hi. I don't know if you're new, but like if you are, welcome to my channel. Okay, it's time. Ew, that's wet. It's a makeup wipe that was on my foot. So I just take my mirror, which has a unicorn on it because my friend gave it to me. Thank you, Shannon. I look down and have a sharpener, so I'm just gonna have to deal with it maybe cutting my eye. And it's green. I don't know what shade it is. Baller. And to stop it from like cutting me, I just look down and kind of, I don't like rub it, I like push. I'm kind of rubbing it right now, but I'm like, you know, that's how I apply it. And then I'm gonna be taking a flat shader brush. This is an e.l.f. one, a really old e.l.f. one. Oops, I just dropped that. I'm gonna take the Jaclyn Hill's dark green called Enchanted. And I'm gonna press that onto that gel. That like pencil gel, I don't know what. And that keeps it from like moving. I've done this with all my eyeliners since I don't know when. I used to use actually like a gel eyeliner and just like use that for like my waterline because that's how I liked it. I'm just gonna take the end of that brush I used this whole time, so like this one, but the end of it because it has one on the end. I'm gonna take the dark green and I'm gonna really blend out my, and I kind of want, oh, be careful, you don't want to take off your eyelashes. Okay guys, this is the finished look. All I did was add Jeffree Star's liquid lip in the shade Abused, so it's a dark blue. And then I just changed shirts because I thought this was like so cute with this look. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and stayed to the end to see the finished product. If you want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe, like, and keep on watching because I'm going to be coming back. And I'll probably have another video up. I don't know what days I upload. Mondays and Fridays, I think. So this will be up Monday if that's when I do that. And the next one will be up the next day. So yeah, but here's the look. I'll do a zoom in for you. Rolling. So do the Manny way, like yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed because I love this look. This is my second time doing it and I fall in love with it even more every time I wear it.